Hello babies, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, now today we will draw potato. Here is written P-O-T-A-T-O. That means potato. Potato মানে হচ্ছে আলু. Okay, let's start. First, we'll draw in this box. So we'll draw a sleeping line in the middle of this box like this. Okay, we'll draw it in very light hand, okay, that we can erase it later. Okay, after that we'll draw a half circle, but not a proper half circle. Will be little down here and then up, just like a wave line, but not so deep wave. Okay, then we'll come here and we'll go around here and we'll join here. Okay, like this. It will look like an oval shape, but not in proper oval shape. Okay, now what you will do, we will erase the middle lines. Now we'll draw some eyes, a reverse subcircle, little reverse subcircle. Okay, we will not give too big. Okay, and a half circle in the middle like this. Draw randomly. Okay, see, done. These look like eyes, right? A reverse subcircle and a half circle here, and we will fill the blank. Half circle, look like eyes. Okay, now we'll draw in the same way another potato here. First we'll draw a sleeping line in the middle very lightly. Then we'll give a wave line in the up of the sleeping line like this. Then we'll go down and turn around like half circles, and we'll join here to the upper line. Okay, now we'll erase the middle sleeping line and we'll give eyes randomly like this. Reverse circle, then fill it. We will not give so many eyes, okay? Then it will look messy. We'll give random eyes, okay? And we'll give space. Now I'll color these two potatoes. Potato will be brown color, right? Okay, let's do coloring. I love coloring. You all also love coloring, right? Okay. First, we will color the borders very slowly. We'll color deeply that no white should appear. Okay. Make the eyes prominent, we'll draw it again after coloring. Okay, reverse subcircle, circle in the middle. Now I'll color this part. You can't see the eyes, right? That's why we will draw these eyes again. Okay, done. My potatoes are ready to eat. Okay, practice it at home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. থ্যাংক ইউ। ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক করুন, শেয়ার করুন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার চ্যানেলের সাথে থাকুন। আর নেক্সট ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন। ধন্যবাদ।